Yo, what's good guys, Pav here, and today we're going to be looking at this really cool VST plugin, Solaris, inside FL Studio. This plugin is free, sounds amazing, and I'm going to show you how it sounds on vocals. Let's go.
Pav on the beat.
Just before I show you my favorite 5 from these, just want to outline that you can resize it just by clicking on the end here and driving it up and down, which is really cool. And I'm gonna show you all the presets. So inside this plugin, there's a lot of presets, and I'm gonna show you my top 5 out of this that can be used on vocals. If you are a recording engineer, music producer, or you're looking for some really cool effect kind of reverb for your vocals, I'm gonna show you the top 5. Now my first one that I'm gonna show you out of all of these presets is the mouth verb. Check this out. Yeah, I've been trying to make a song, you know. Now, if that's too powerful, turn it down a bit. I've been trying to make a track, I've been trying to write a song. So, really cool effect if you're trying to achieve some really cool vocals. My second favorite one on this is the event horizon. Now, I'm going to show you an example, and please don't laugh at my singing, okay? This is how it can be used and how it sounds. Sunday like feeling. It's Monday, and Monday I'm singing. Turn it down a bit. It's Sunday, and I got that feeling. Yeah, it's Monday, and I'm making a new song. My third one is the dark chambers on here. Really cool effect again. Again, don't laugh at my singing for the demonstration. Yeah. I've been trying to make songs, I've been trying to write it down. Turned up. I've been trying to write it, I've been trying to write it down. Really cool effect. Dark chambers can be pretty cool when it's turned halfway. Again, if you overkill it with full reverb, it's just going to sound too dramatic and overpowering. But then you can turn the dryness and wetness down. Anyway, my fourth one on this is the sizzly core, which is over here. And let me show you a quick demonstration again. Please do not laugh. Yeah. Hey, I've been trying to write a song right now. I've been trying to write a song right now. Put it on the screen for you to see. This is our fault, this song. Well, we can also turn it up. Yeah. This is our put it to the wrong. Now, if we turn it down, the reverb size to about 20 or 23, we get a really cool room kind of effect. And this is really nice about this. Gives us that stereo effect. Check this out. I've been trying to make a song, and I've been trying to make a track. Turn it up and it gets bigger and bigger. Yeah, pretty cool. Last one on the list is Deep Abyss. Deep Abyss, which is over here. And this one's got a really cool second kind of voice. Can be really cool if you're trying to achieve like this spatial kind of effect. And let me show you. Just turn it up about 90%, just like that. Yeah. Holy crap, I almost lost my voice there, guys. Let me get some breath. Holy crap. Guys, subscribe. Almost lost my breath right there. Jesus Christ. Anyway, Yeah, Solaris is cool. The deep A-bass is really cool. Got this second kind of voice. If you turn it down a bit, sounds like this. Hello. Ooh. But if you turn it up, you can get this really cool secondary kind of effect. So Solaris is not your everyday kind of reverb. As you guys can see, there's some really cool effects that you can achieve on vocals. Now notice I'm not using anything else on the stack. So if you use like EQ, compression, limiters, you can achieve something pretty much amazing. Since Solaris done all the editing, it comes with, you know, delay. Now you can sync this with a beat. So if you turn on a sync, change the settings, you can make it warm, change the dryness and wetness. You can turn it on and off, click of a button. As you guys can see, you got the shimmer, where you can change the effect on the shimmer and how you want it to sound. Now we've got the filter, low pass and high pass. You can pretty much make it low on frequency or high pass. You can see the VU meter on the screen, which shows you exactly what kind of frequencies you're targeting being in the green. So this is cutting out all the highs, do the vice versa on the other side, and now you're cutting down the lows with more of the higher frequencies of saturation coming in. You can also control the depth, and you've got a little wavelength here that demonstrates the depth as well as the rate on how the reverb comes in. Really cool. So yeah, this is free to download. You guys can check it out. I left a few examples on there on Producer Buzz of what to expect, as well as the download links and more information about it. Also how to install it and everything. So I'll leave a link below in more description. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this free VST plugin. Drop in a comment on what you'd like to see next week. Apart from that, peace out, subscribe, and ciao.